So my understanding of this topic, historical research online involves using digital resources to study the past, offering access to sources and information never previously available. First, digital libraries. These provide access to books, journals, and other publications. And second, online archive. It offers primary sources like documents, letters, and photographs. The National Archive Catalog is an online portal to record and information about records. So the third is oral histories. The doc the collection of American and Indian oral story that provide access of interview conducted with Native American in Oklahoma. Do you need to study historical research online? Studying historical research online is essential because it the skills to critical evaluate the past amount of historical information available in digital format. It's enabled us to access diverse, effective, and primary sources from around the world, fostering a more comprehensive understanding of the past. However, how to conduct historical research online? Start going historical research online by finding trustworthy online sources like collection of primary sources, digital libraries, and academic databases. Use specific words to search for what you need and use advanced search option to get more precise results. Careful, assess the sources by thinking about the author's expertise, that set goal, and how accurate and up to date the information. So in my conclusion, doing historical research online give us amazing chance to get a lot of primary and secondary sources which help us understanding the past in more complete and inclusive way. Even though there are problems like making sure resources are trustworthy and dealing with copyright. The good things about having easier access, being able to search quickly and working together make online historical research must have for researcher, student, and anyone who want to learn about history in today's digital world. That's why doing historical research online it's very important. Thank you.